Now let's watch a short play. Today let's visit the two families and see what happens. Work is finished. Now it's time for family night. Let's play a board game and have dinner together. Yay! I love it when we all talk and play together. Now let's see the other family. Mom, can you help me with my homework? Sorry, I'm too busy with email. Dad, can you play a game with me? Maybe later. I'm working. Okay, Gopi, come here. What is this? It's a world map. First you solve this jigsaw puzzle of a world map that we'll play together. The fixing the puzzle will take time until Dad will finish our world. I did it. How can you fix it so fast? It's easy. I fixed the family first, and the world became perfect.
Hello, Budgie. Pichi bachchiya. Abbas, Nichio. Bye. Bye, pichi bachchiya. Pichi bachchiya. Bye. Pichi bachchiya. Dida.
आज हमारी डफ को तकरीबन 15 दिन हो गए हैं ये अंडे दिए हुए।
अंडा खाऊंगा। अंडा खाऊंगा।
Please like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching Shehzade Ki Mastiyaan.